Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use Canva to create a PowerPoint presentation. I think this is a great tool for us all being future teachers or whatever your major might be. I think just knowing how to make a presentation, PowerPoint is a great tool, and I love Canva because it is extremely customizable. So whenever you open up Canva, log in or make an account, it's super easy. Then in the upper right, there's create a design. You're going to go ahead and click that and then create a presentation. You're going to be opened up to a blank page, and they have like templates you can use already. So like for school, they have like, cute little templates that they already have made, or like different layouts. Exit out of school, different layouts you can do. So like there's a pink one, there's many different options to choose from. They have like little stickers you can use to put in, like if I had to use a line somewhere. They have like a little arrow pointing, cute ones just to make your PowerPoint presentation a little bit different. They have little text that you can use. So say I wanted to thank everybody, there's a little thank you, and you can even animate them. So if I wanted it to drift, I could, and then I can click like just this word so I can have them doing different things. Or if I wanted them all to do the same thing, I could. And Canva is just the best thing that I have found to create PowerPoint presentations. And yeah, feel free to try it on your own and let me know what everybody thinks.